Well, here we are back Saturday on March the 7th, working on assembling the Corvette doors. This is the right door, and get ready to put the regulators in. And spend the whole day today with the owner and his father. We're having a wonderful day out here getting the vet put together. And this door has been buffed on the bottom side and polished. And working on the hinges today, getting ready to start swinging some doors. And not filming you guys, but y'all are working hard, and hope things are going easy in here. So you can see we are now back on doing the Corvette, and got a lot of wiring to do and assembly. So today was Alan got in the tinted glass back to me, and we got in the new hardware for the vacuum doors. That looks real good, Alan. The nice new springs. Did you? Yep, all new springs. And so, again, I hope you guys like the Nardigo gray. It's just an awesome color. And come back and visit. Thumbs up, subscribe, and continue more on the Vet and the CJ as this week goes along. Thank you.